Now my screen is visible to you. Please tell me.
No, sir.
No, sir, it's not.
No. Yes, sir.
Not visible.
Yes, sir.
Visible.
Visible now.
Now look, this is made by Ajinkya Deshmukh, class 7, the activity of triangles. The name of the file will be this. He has sent it to me directly. So something is, there is a problem somewhere, I will tell you, but the written pattern is good. That means this way you have to write down in first page. Okay, that you have already done. For triangle there are 4 centers called. Firstly you have to write the name of the topics. What is the name of the topics? That will be there, demonstrating 4 centers of a triangle using paper folding method. Okay, now where you have written over here. Okay, so now where you have to write now, and when you have started to written this one, in this page you have to write over here what you have to write, the topic of the activity. Okay,
Yes,
you
sir.
have to write topics. Is this color is visible to you or not?
It's
Yellow one.
visible, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so you have to write topic name. What is the topic name? What is the topic name? What is the topic name?
Demonstrating 4 types.
Demonstrate.
This is topic name given. Don't worry. This is topic demonstrating 4 centers of triangle using paper folding techniques. So I will let you see how to write. The written pattern is everything is given in your video. Okay, so you will copy it from there. So this way you have to write down. Now the one thing is problem here. This is the problem. These diagram will be pasted on left hand side. These ones. Okay. These triangles are pasted in left hand side of the blank page. Okay. You have a notebook in this form, whose one notebooks, one page is, you have now lab manual, everyone. Lab manual. Except Harshita, everyone have lab manual. I know that. All you have lab manual or not?
No, sir.
Huh? Yes or no? Speak up fast. You have lab manual or not?
No, sir.
Why? It was not given from the school or you have not purchased? I am audible to you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So why the answer
Having,
is
sir.
you have got it from the school or not, lab manual?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So you have to do these activities in that file. Okay, whenever possible, or as before the examination, not whenever, before the examination you have to submit, because in subject enrichment you have to got out if your file is submitted to me. Otherwise 20 marks will be lapsed, means 18 marks will be written exam, 20 marks will be the internal marks. So this lab manual, or if you don't have, no problem, make a file, that one file you have made in the first activity of what activity we have done, कौन सी एक्टिविटी हमने की थी पहले, एनीवन विल यू प्लीज टेल मी द नेम ऑफ द टॉपिक? algebraic equation. We have done now algebraic equation activity. This is done. This is already done in your class. So you have to make a file proper. If you don't have any lab manual. So you have to make or you have to purchase the practical notebooks from the markets, which will be in one side line and one side blank page, means science lab manual. It will be easily available in the markets, or if you are not able to purchase, you will make a uh, file, spiral binding file. You know that spiral binding file?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to make it and you have to do these activities over there. Okay, so if it is required to send this PDF file, I will share with you. Otherwise, I will not. Okay, so actually each and everything is given over there. But now the question is, if you have any problem regarding that activity, you can tell me right now, or otherwise I will share with you that video one more time. Please tell me. May I show you one more time
No
video or not?
problem. No, sir.
No, sir.
Actually, I have shared with you video in your group. That's why I'm not going to explain. If it's still required, then let me know. Then I will tell you, explain and then how to do. It is required or not, beta? Bolo yes or no.
No, sir, not
No,
required.
Just
sir.
on your video. क्योंकि किसी की वीडियो नहीं ऑन है तो आई कांटेक्ट नहीं होगा तो कैसे बच्चे करेंगे? Immediately on your video. Prathmesh Karad. Where is Sahil? Sahil, you are trying to complete your notebook or not? Let me know. Sahil Vibhuti, you are going to complete your notebook or not? You have got the notebooks, photos of your notes. Don't, Sahil, I am removing you from here. Don't join my class again today. Sushant Titike, Sushant Titike, and where is another Titike? I don't know the name. I know the name, but I didn't remind. Sushant Titke, where your cousin sister?
Sir.
I think Sachi Titke. Where Sage? Everyone be on video, otherwise start removing from here. It doesn't matter how many students are. If there will be one student, then I will taught him or her. Rajvardhan Chate. Whose video and audio is not Aditi Solanki, your audio is not connected. I think I need to remove you also from here. Somnath, Rajvardhan, Prathmesh, Deepak Munde, on your video. Aryan Tamalwar.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, that my notebook which was lost, I have got that notebook.
Congratulations. At least you got now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Lakshman Munde, I think I will tell you again. I write in notice board to on your video. Day before yesterday, your father come in the school, but I didn't complain anything.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Arya.
Can you share that algebraic expression activity on group?
Wait, I will see it was in my laptop or not. Let me see. Wait for a minute. If it will be there, I will share you. Right now, I am unable to find. If I get it, then I will share this that file, that PDF or something else, whatever I have in the group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Or if anyone have practical, that means activity photos or snaps, you will share in the group, or anyone required, you will share in the group. If anyone have in the group, then anyone whoever required, they will get it. Okay.
So we can't send messages in the group.
Achha, you can't send message in the group. So anyone those who have send me, then I will share with you. I think most
Share in group.
where is Bhakti? She is not here, and she is not here for offline also. Harshita, you have completed beta this that activity, algebraic expression.
Yes, sir, I have completed that activity.
I
and
have
that
completed.
in that activity which PDF you gave, that also I'm having.
Okay. Firstly, I will try to find that PDF. It was in my phone or laptop, maybe. So I will, if I will get it, if I get it, I will share with you. Otherwise, Harshita, you will send me snapshots. Okay. So now we will start which chapter do you guys required for revision now? Now the revision time started. Between revision time, we will do activities. Don't worry, we will do at least 5 to 10 activities during this month. Okay, 5 to 10 activities we will do. Between revision, we will do at least 5 to 10 activities. That was your first subject enrichment. Anyone now let me know which chapter I need to revise.
Algebraic
Algebraic expression.
Okay, so let's
Algebraic.
start algebraic equation. I will share with you. My screen is visible to you or not? Let me know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the chapter 12 algebraic equation. Firstly, how to identify. I am going to the main concept. I'm not going to variable constant. Everyone know that. X, Y, Z, A, B, C. These are the variables, and 1, 2, 3. These are the numbers are constant things. Okay. So look at here. Firstly, so my screen is visible or not? Please let me know. The chapter or article 12.3. This is visible to you or not?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Tell me, beta, this is visible or not? 12.3 terms of algebraic equation, term of an expression.
No, sir.
No, sir.
This is visible. Only chapter names are visible.
आई थिंक आई नीड टू वेट, मुझे दूसरी स्क्रीन शेयर करनी पड़ेगी। आई फॉरगेट टू शेयर द नाउ।
Yes, sir, it is
Yes,
visible.
sir. It's visible now.
So firstly we have to know that how to find the terms. Suppose this is expression 3x plus y. So please tell me how many terms it have.
2 terms.
2 terms.
Two terms.
Will you please tell me the name of the terms? That will be 3x and y.
Y.
Now please tell me the factors of this term. Will be
3 and x.
And x.
3 and x. And this is 1 and y.
Y.
1 and y you can write, because 1 is the factor of every number, so 1 will be always there. Okay, if you want to write here 1, this
Sir,
will
this
be
is
written.
easy.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Addition and subtraction वो hard है.
I am not getting. I think someone is asking something. Please
Sir, this is easy. Addition and subtraction of these numbers is bit difficult.
means may I explain only means numerical part, not theory part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I got it. That means there is a problem with the numerical part. Means that means everyone are aware from the expression, term and factors now. I will not explain now these things. This is with the terms, factors, you are aware from that or not?
Yes, sir.
Look at these examples. The term will be, there will be 2 term with their sign you have to take. If there will be minus sign, so factors will be 4x x, its factor minus 3 x and y. Okay, so now its term will be 5xy. So 5x and y are the constant. This is your soft copy or your textbook. Okay, you can open it from there where you are right now. So now this is constant term and there will be no factors in variable. Okay, constant number have a constant number. There are no factors in algebraic term. उसके कोई भी फैक्टर्स अलजेब्रा के टर्म में नहीं होंगे, ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
Now coefficient, this is the important part. Coefficient. Look at this example. Look at this example. This is the expression term which is not a constant. That means ऐसा टर्म बताइए जिसमें constant number नहीं है या constant नहीं है. So this is the term. This is algebraic term. And tell me the numerical coefficient of that term. That will be xy. Which number will we multiply with it? Only 1. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now suppose written this one minus xy. What is the numerical coefficient? That will be what?
1.
Minus 1, bhai. Minus 1. If there will be minus sign, you have to take with sign. Okay? Okay, yes or no? Now look at the second example. 13 minus y square. The term which is not a constant, that will be minus y square. And will you please tell me the coefficient of minus y square? That will be minus 1. Minus y square. This will be written as minus 1 times y square. Yes or no? So this will be the actually numerical coefficient it is asking, not a coefficient. Okay? अब ये चीज ध्यान समझ. Numerical coefficient means here the question asks only the coefficient which is in number. Class, are you getting me or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Really you are getting or no?
So
Yes,
repeat
sir.
again.
Huh?
Really, sir.
Getting so.
Okay, suppose
Yes.
this is the example 13 minus y plus y square. So minus y term which is not a constant means we have to write all term which doesn't have a constant term. So 13 will be constant term means you have to write the term all the term we excluded constant term. The constant term is what? Only the term which contains numerical values, nothing else. There is no means in terms there no variables will be there in that term. That term will known as constant term. That means 13 minus y square plus y square plus 5y square. So this is the term where there is no variable. So this is known as constant term. Now suppose now the student confused 5y square. So this is not a constant term. So really this is not a constant term because there is a variable. There is a variable, so it is not a constant term. Constant term is what? Only the term which contains numerical numbers. मीन्स कांस्टेंट टर्म आपका कौन सा टर्म होता है जिसमें केवल आपकी न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यूज हो या जिसमें ओनली नंबर्स हो. ठीक है क्लास? Okay na?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now the terms which is not a constant, so minus y and y square. Now tell me the numerical coefficient over here. That will be minus 1 and here numerical coefficient 5. Okay. Similarly, in this example, the term which is only constant, this one. So delete it. What is the remaining term? 4p square q minus 3p q square. Now the problem is students are not able to understood or not able to identify the like terms. Yes or no? So I am clearing the screen, then I will explain this thing. Are you are able to identify, to tell me, or you are able to identify the terms which are like or which are unlike? आर्यन तमालवर बहुत मारूंगा तुम्हें, समझ लेना मैं. हाँ यस बेटा. आर यू गाइज आर एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई द लाइक टर्म और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
Will these terms, so please tell me, these terms are like or unlike?
Unlike terms.
Unlike terms.
And
Unlike terms.
xy and x7xy.
Like terms.
Now
Unlike terms.
now
Unlike
terms.
terms.
now
Unlike terms.
now.
Like terms.
Okay, that means you are able to identify p square q 7qp square. Are these terms are like?
Unlike terms.
Like terms. Like terms.
Both are like or unlike?
Like.
Like.
Now
Unlike.
Unlike.
now
Like terms.
Like.
now.
Unlike.
Like.
Huh?
Like terms.
Okay, that means there is no meaning of these numbers. Only we have to see the variables. Yes or no? If the variables and its powers will be same, then we can say that the terms will be like. Okay, I will now I will call the name of the students, then I will ask. Nobody will tell me in random form. I will tell you the name. Wait. 3x y square 4x z square y z. And Parth Yadav,
Like term.
these are like term,
Like term.
L or U?
L.
पागल लड़के, तुम्हें यही नहीं पता है, यानी कि how to identify like term you don't know ना, that means how you will tell me these are like term 3x is 3x y square z and 3x z square y. How can you say that these are like term? Aryan Tamalwar,
Because the digits are.
are these terms are like or not or unlike on your video? Unlike, because here look, y power 2, y power 1, no need to check other ones, because x is same, no issue. Y power 2, y power 1, never, they will never be unlike term, they will be unlike, not this. 3x y square z 4x zy square. Now tell me, are these terms are like or not? Let me call the name. Deepak Munde. Deepak Munde. The terms are like or unlike these ones? Nikhil Jogdand. Nikhil Jogdand.
सर मैं बताऊं
Parth Kandade.
सर लाइक टर्म
Okay, very good. Because look, x power same, z power same, y power same. That means this is L, not U. Okay. So this way you only have to look over there the algebraic equation. Are these powers of all the variables are same, then they are like, otherwise unlike. Maybe the variables positions will be interchanged, no issues, but the powers of the variables will be same. So I am coming to the exercise now. You will solve these examples which are given here, given over here. Now we will solve this one. Coming to the exercise later. Expression 4x minus 3y term with factor x. Will you please tell me the term which is x with factor x? That is 4x. ऐसा फैक्टर्स आपको बताना है जिसमें x हो और s. Now the coefficient of x, that will be 4. Okay. Here not a numerical coefficient, only we have to find coefficient of x. Is it okay or not? Not a numerical coefficient.
Yeah.
Now term contained in x minus x. Yes, any queries?
minus 6,
Any query?
No, sir, no queries.
Okay. Now 8 minus x plus y. So term with factor x, this will be x on minus x only. Its factor will be minus 1 and x. So what is the coefficient of x over here? Minus 1. It is clearly visible over here. Now this is the term which contains x. This is written. Now look, coefficient of x is equals to what? That will be only y square. That's here the no numerical coefficient. We are not trying to find numerical. We have to find the coefficient of the given things, means x. So mean what is coefficient of any variable or anything? The other part of that except that number, that will be whole coefficient. Means suppose x square y. I am trying to find the coefficient of y. Will you please anyone tell me the coefficient of y over here?
X square minus x square minus x square.
Minus x square. Very good. Minus x square, because this is minus sign will be there. Suppose I want to know that from your side numerical coefficient of this number.
-1.
Minus 1. Very good. Numerical coefficient will ask separately. Coefficient of one variables or other variables will be separately. Both are different thing beta. Maybe sometimes the answer will be same. Maybe sometimes the answer will be same. But the coefficient of the given particular thing is different, and coefficient of numerical coefficient, that is different. In numerical coefficient only numbers will be there, and coefficients sometimes numbers, sometimes variables will be there. Okay, okay na? Sometimes in coefficient of the particular variable, that was sometimes it will be variable, but in numerical coefficient only the numbers will be there. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
The things is going to clear, or it will be in like Hawaii?
Clear, sir.
No, sir, it's clear.
Let me ask with some students. I think Prachi Khade, he is not audible. Actually his mic is, maybe audio is not connected. So why he is here? I need to remove on immediate basis. Okay, so what about others? What's the name? Prathamesh Nivru likha hai, or Prathamesh Nivru. I don't know the surname actually. Will you please tell me? My video is also off.
Prathamesh
Wait.
Tandle.
Oh, my video is off. That's why you had turned off your video. Please tell me, my video is off starting of the session or in the middle?
Sir, after you shared the
No, sir,
screen.
it was on.
Okay, Prathamesh Tandle. It was just a waste of time talking of these students. Now look at here, this fourth part, 2z minus 5xz. So the term which contains x, only this one, yes or no, means with minus sign, with this one. So what is the coefficient of x? Anyone? That will be actually written on the answer, but you have to tell me with your own self. Arya beta, you tell me.
-5z.
Because x means whatever the coefficient asks, delete this one. What is the remaining? That is the coefficient. I have told this thing when I taught you regular basis. Yes or no? जिसका भी coefficient पूछा जाए उस चीज को हटा दो, बस जो बचे वही coefficient. मैंने आपको बोला था ये चीज. Now coefficient of, in this one, coefficient of firstly write down the factors with y. So this is the term with y. What is the coefficient of y? Cut it down. You will get -3. Coefficient of y z. Cut down this y. Cut down y. Cut down y. Okay, you will get the directly coefficient. करना क्या है आपको, मतलब मोटी मोटी बात, because time is getting over. So in broad concept, if you are going to find the coefficient only, you have to cut down the term whose coefficient will be asked in the question.